Hi guys, I thought I'd do myself a Snowman Grandad is an Old Man logo to go with my growing collection of different granddads. Getting a bit carried away with them, I think. I did him with white PLA. I did consider doing him from yellow PLA for a yellow snowman, but that would be wrong, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's possibly getting a bit out of hand, this, isn't it? That's my original Grandad is an Old Man logo. And I did that one not so long ago because we were having a lot of rain. So I gave him an umbrella. It does actually stand together like that. And then I wanted him to point at things. Unfortunately, it looks like he's actually fighting. But the idea was he'd be pointing at my cup of coffee and that sort of thing. And waving in the background behind the cakes and that. Because I put these on my daily midday snack where I have a cup of coffee and cake. Oh, and that one's a Father Christmas. I did him either last year or the year before. He's got a long beard. This is a recent print, just using up some of my orange filament that I was having trouble with. Although he came out okay. There's a bit of a line in him if you look very closely. One of the layers wasn't quite right. And then I did a couple of Christmas trees. That one's just a plain Christmas tree, and that one I mixed a couple of bits of filament together or joined them together so it came out two colours. And then I've just gone and done this fella. I actually must have got me dimensions a little bit wrong. Not that it matters, but he really was supposed to be the same size as that one. So we've got a big snowman. What I did was I looked at that one, guessed the height on that, and judged it to be the same height. Whereas that one is actually a bit taller anyway. So I've gone bigger and bigger still. Never mind, he'll do. I might print a slightly smaller one to get the scale right. Although I expect I could have them fighting. Yeah. And then one of my friends sent me that. One of my YouTube friends got himself one of those laser engraver kits. So he did that for me. The QR code works. I'm very pleased with that. I varnished it up, but that's excellent. Yeah, so there we go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.